Hello everyone, Tech Review is back, and today's video is about how to fix a Bluetooth button grayed out in Windows computer. You may have Windows 11, Windows 10 or other Windows operating system, but your Bluetooth is not working or the button is grayed out. So to solve this problem, we are going to see two solutions. So let's start from solution number one. So solution number one will be click on your here search icon on your computer and type services. So here the services, then open it. So after the service section open, find for Bluetooth support service. Here the Bluetooth support service. Select on it and right click on it. Then you will find properties, then open the properties and make sure the startup type is automatic. So in my case it's manual, so I'm going to select here the arrow and select automatic. Then after that, here I'm going to select apply, and I'm going to select here OK. So here, as you can see, the Bluetooth running in automatic startup type. Then after that, click here on the top restart service. So click this one and it will restart the service section. So after that, close your service section and check whether the Bluetooth function started working. And if again the Bluetooth is grayed out, then the second solution will be performing a troubleshoot for your Bluetooth. So to perform the troubleshoot, again we are going to click here the search icon and type settings here. Then you will find here settings. Then after the settings open, under the system you will find, scroll down it and you will find troubleshoot. Here troubleshoot. Then open the troubleshoot and you will find other troubleshooter. Then open the other troubleshooter option and you will find the Bluetooth. Then select here run. Then it will start detecting problems related with the Bluetooth. So wait patiently until the detecting process will be completed. And it give me troubleshooting as completed and check Bluetooth capability. So I'm going to close this one. And these are the two solutions to solve the Bluetooth button grayed out problem on your computer. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Tech Review out.